Alright, in this section here we're going to be talking about division of polynomials. And of course we get started with a nice simple example. And we're going to start with 35x squared minus 49x squared. Whoops, that's supposed to be a cube right there. Alright, so let me just start over here. This is a cube minus 49x squared plus 28, and this is going to be all over 7. Now of course, you know, we're starting with something simple here, but there's a way of doing this without having to use long division. 7 goes into 35, 7 goes into 49, and 7 goes into 28. So 7 goes into 35 5 times. So we just write x cubed, and I'm not exactly sure why I wrote an equal sign. How about a minus? 7 goes into 49 7 times, so that'd be x squared. And 7 goes into 28. That's going to be 4 times. Alright, so that's been simplified down to 5x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4. Okay, we should always start with something simple and work our way upward. Alright, in this particular one here, we're going to say 6x to the 4th minus 15x cubed plus 9x squared, and that's going to be all over 3x squared. Now what I'm going to do on this particular one, I could have done it in the last problem, but I'm going to break this up. Okay, just like this, minus 15x cubed over 3x squared plus 9x squared over 3x squared. And it makes it nice because 3 goes into each one of these coefficients here. So 3 goes into 6 2 times. There's 2 x's in the denominator, 4 in the numerator, so we'd just be left with x squared. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 2 x's in the denominator, 3 in the numerator, so we can cancel 2 of them out. We'd just be left with 1x plus 3 goes into 9 3 times. And of course x squared over x squared is just 1. So this is what we're left with right here after simplifying this down. Alright, let's move into what we're really after here. Okay, we're going to have 2x squared plus 9x plus 1, so that's a polynomial, of course, over x plus 5. Now we're going to use long division. I'm going to write x plus 5 right here, and we have 2x squared plus 9x plus 1. X goes into 2x squared, so remember the last problem, that reduces down to 2x, right? Well, that's what's going on here. X goes into this, so we're just left with 2x. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this 2x times the x again. Gives us 2x squared, and then 2x times 5 gives us 10x. Then we go minus, so that means we'll be changing the sign here, and so this becomes a minus now. Alright, so that's 0, and that's going to be just a negative x. Alright, and then carry this plus 1 down. X goes into negative x, and we're just left with a minus 1. Minus 1 times that is negative x, minus 1